Having trouble with your Roku remote? If the buttons on your Roku remote are not working, don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face this issue, but the good news is there are simple steps you can take to resolve it. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix Roku remote buttons not working through a series of troubleshooting steps, ensuring you can get back to streaming your favorite content without interruption. Step 1. Check the battery. The first step in resolving most remote issues is to inspect the batteries. Remove the battery cover from the back of your Roku remote and ensure the batteries are properly inserted. If they are, but the remote still isn't responding, try replacing the batteries with fresh ones. Use high-quality alkaline batteries for optimal performance. Once replaced, test the remote to see if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Repair the remote. Your Roku remote may have lost its pairing with the Roku device. To repair it, start by unplugging the Roku device from its power source. Then, wait a few seconds before plugging it back in. As it reboots, press and hold the pairing button on your remote, typically located inside the battery compartment, for about 5 seconds. Release the button when you see the pairing LED start to flash and wait for the on-screen prompts indicating a successful pairing. Step 3. Check for obstructions. Sometimes physical obstructions can interfere with the remote signal. Make sure there are no objects between the remote and the Roku device that might block the infrared or Bluetooth signals. Also, try moving closer to the Roku receiver to ensure it's within range. Test the remote again to see if this resolves the problem. Step 4. Reset the remote. If the previous steps don't solve the issue, try resetting the remote. To do this, remove the batteries, unplug the Roku device, and wait for at least 10 seconds. Plug the Roku device back in, and then reinsert the batteries into the remote. After doing this, try using the remote again to see if the buttons are now working. Step 5. Check for software updates. Occasionally, outdated software can cause compatibility issues. To check for updates, navigate to the settings menu on your Roku device using your TV's controls or a mobile app if available. Select System and then System Update to see if there are any available updates. Install any updates and subsequently test the remote for functionality. Step 6. Consider a replacement. If none of these fixes work, there might be a hardware issue with your remote. Consider purchasing a new Roku remote or downloading the Roku mobile app, which can be used as a remote control. By doing so, you'll have an alternative way to navigate and control your Roku device while you seek a more permanent solution. Addressing the issue of Roku remote buttons not working involves checking and replacing batteries, repairing the remote, ensuring there are no signal obstructions, resetting the device, checking for software updates, or considering a replacement. These steps are designed to help you troubleshoot effectively and get your remote working again. Remember, a non-responsive remote doesn't mean the end of your streaming experience. With this guide, you'll be back on track, enjoying your favorite shows in no time.